Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off pop-up blocker on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. And what you're gonna do, if you want to turn off the pop-up blocker settings, go ahead in your Android phone or tablet. Open this is for Chrome, of course. But if you want to allow or turn off the pop-ups on Safari, go ahead, open the Safari browser and click the Safari menu at the top left of the corner, and then select Preferences, and then click on the Websites tab, and then on the left side of that window, click on the pop-up windows, and then click on the drop down menu at the bottom right and choose Allow if you wanted to. So basically what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead to that settings basically, which is a simpler way, and go ahead to the Safari, and then scroll a little bit down until you find the lock pop-ups right here, and make sure, if you want to turn it off, make sure that you color this one gray, because you want to turn it off. So basically you can browse on whatever you actually want without any disturbance. So let's turn on the comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.